front suspension failure undoes all of the Spaniard's hard work. Time in the Prost. A lack of rear-end grip is the least of his problems thanks to Pedro de la Rosa. Irvine spins. Irvine is just a passenger as he takes out Ralf Schumacher. Jenson Button brakes for the hairpin. The Brit tips Pedro de la Rosa's arrows into a spin and the usual Monaco congestion. Teammate through, but there is no room for Zonta, sending Schumacher spinning and causing chaos. It's an all-Prost midfield battle between Jean Alesi and Nick Heidfeld. The Frenchman dives to the inside of the German, but it all ends... breaks the Jordan driver into second. Button is also keen to move up, perhaps too keen as he tips Trulli into a spin. The new section is a worry to many drivers, but is of little concern now to both Saubers and Eddie Irvine. The midfield and tail enders jockey for position, but four cars won't fit into one racing line, as Deniz, both Prosts and De La Rosa